Have you ever wondered what it would sound like if a barbarian had a borderline personality disorder?
I love this party. You are not companions to me, but you are brothers. You are sisters. You are the precious little lanterns that guide me through the darkness of this cruel world. Now, which one of you took my jerky? Which one of you fake, treacherous wizards stole my salted poor strips of my heart? No, wait. I am sorry. That was too much. I should have asked calmly. I am growing. Oh, you found it. It was in my own satchel? Well, then this calls for a day of healing. Come here, my beloved idiots. Let me embrace you. Why did you flinch? You think I am a monster? I knew it. I opened my heart and you built a wall. I will destroy that wall. I will destroy all walls. No stone shall stand between me and emotional intimacy. Wait. No, I misspoke. I do not want violence. I want reassurance. And perhaps a firm hand upon my shoulders while you say I am a valued member of the party.
Comment the next one and I'll do it.